Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize stencil printing in surface mount technology, or SMT? Stencil printing, a crucial phase in the SMT process, is where a metal stencil is used to apply solder paste to the printed circuit board. This is a critical step, as any errors here can lead to defects in the final product. Enter artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. This cutting-edge technology is well on its way to redefine industries, and SMT is no exception. AI, with its ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions, can optimize stencil printing, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. By processing vast amounts of data in real time, AI can make split-second decisions, adjusting the printing process to prevent errors before they occur. This not only improves product quality, but also reduces waste and increases productivity. The possibilities are endless, and the future of stencil printing and SMT with AI looks promising. So, how exactly does AI enhance stencil printing and SMT? Let's dive into that. AI's integration into stencil printing marks a significant shift in SMT. Yes, indeed, the process begins with the collection of data from the stencil printer. This data could range from temperature and humidity conditions to the pressure and speed of the squeegee. Each of these variables plays a significant role in the quality of the print, and AI is adept at capturing these intricacies. Once the data is collected, it's time for it to be processed and analyzed. This is where the magic of machine learning comes into play. AI algorithms sift through this vast trove of information, identifying patterns and correlations that would be near impossible for a human to detect. It's like a detective, piecing together the clues to solve the puzzle of optimal stencil printing. But what happens once the puzzle is solved? How does AI use this information? Well, the insights gained from the analysis are then used to fine-tune the stencil printing process. This means optimizing the paste dispensing mechanism by accurately predicting the optimal amount of solder paste needed for each print. AI significantly reduces waste. It's like having a master chef who knows just the right amount of spice to add to the dish every single time. And it doesn't stop there. AI also enhances